while since I've been to Aldi. I decided that I really want to do a charcuterie tray for tonight's dinner. And I'm just gonna do one for just my husband and I. The last time I did one was for New Year's Eve when I had a bunch of people coming over, so it was a pretty big one. This one is gonna be a little bit on the smaller side, but I wanna do a fall themed one. So let's go into Aldi and see what we can find. All right, let's go.
I just got pixie-fied. Pixie dusted.
All right, I'm about to try one of these Dragon Balls.
Look at this, she is good!
I have to try this. This sounds really good. You can see that I did get some fall-inspired items that I'm going to try. We've got the pumpkin pizza. That's pretty much like the only thing in this pumpkin mug. I'll probably put something in it. And then and some pumpkin spice pretzels. And then we'll take that and see what we come up with. Okay, I'm back home and there is one item that's going into the oven that I found last minute. You saw it in the cart. But I've decided that because this centerpiece, I want it right in the center, instead of having my grapes in the middle like I did last time, this other thing is going to be the center. So I am going to use the largest board that I have. So it's going to be interesting to see how this comes out because there's only two of us eating. But whatever we don't eat, we can repackage and eat another time. But I have a feeling there's going to be a lot of choices, and I happen to like choices. So stand by. Okay, so I found this at Aldi. And I'm going to focus on building it around this butternut squash pizza shaped like a pumpkin. And I'm gonna put some sweet, some salty, lots of cheese. And here we go. It's easy to get carried away and figure out where you want to put everything. So the big board really worked out well. I've got some finishing touches to put on it, and then I'll show you the final result. All right, here is the finished product. I'm going to tell you exactly what it is. I'm going to tell you exactly what everything is. This is the butternut squash pizza shaped in a pumpkin that I found at Aldi. I used this cheese tray. This has got extra sharp white cheddar, Havarti, Gouda, and Asiago. I put those over here. Then this is a sandwich that it's a gluten-free sandwich. It has some Mexican type ingredients inside, like black beans and stuff. So we each have half of that. I found some pickles that I put up on top. My husband bought assorted meats. He eats pork and beef, I don't. So these are for him and I cut them up. And then he bought some for me as well, like turkey. And I had some leftover maple honey turkey that I rolled up with some cheese, and I put that there. Then coming across here, that's another meat that I cut up that he brought. This is pimento cheese that can be spread using one of my Halloween-themed pumpkin spreaders. We also have mustard over here. If he wants to put mustard on some of the crackers. I bought an assorted cracker mix. So that's all of these crackers down here. Then I decided not to put the black bean dip in a separate little container because with the black bean, or the 5-layer dip rather, it's better just to put the chip all the way down on the bottom. So I'm leaving the whole thing here, which does take up the whole bottom left corner. And then I just used the small little holder for the chips. And then for dessert, I put in some pumpkin spice pretzels in a really cute holder that I found at Aldi in the Aldi Find section. And that, my friend, is my dinner. Our dinner for tonight. You can really make a charcuterie tray anything you want it to be. I happen to theme this fall. Last time I themed everything around the grapes. This time it doesn't have any fruit this time because it's more of a dinner thing for there's my cat. It's more of a dinner thing for us. So I didn't make it any fruit. I didn't put any fruit on it this time, but you can do anything you want to, but it's just an idea of where to start from. Again, everything that I did here tonight was from Aldi, except for the meats that my husband did bring home, but everything else is from Aldi. Well, thank you for tuning into the Wonderful World of Wendy. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. Give me a big thumbs up, and I'll see you on my next adventure. I was actually going to put in this for dessert as well, which is from Trader Joe's, because I said I was going to use Trader Joe's. I just don't have room for it. So, but again, you can make it and do anything you want. All right, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.